Learn chess by yourself, or with your classmates, using this application, entirely designed with Excel. Click on cell 05 to listen to the lessons. If there is an ear icon, you can listen and read them. If there is an eye icon, you can only read them. Click on any cell with a yellow background to learn about and try out the new features of this app. Legend has it that an adventurous king played a game of chess against a sheep herder who gave him mate in 4 moves. Learn the scholar's mate by playing the moves that appear in cell M27. Start by moving the white pawn to E4, square 54. Black pawn to E5. White bishop to C4. White bishop to C4. Black knight to C6. White queen to H5. Black knight to F6. White queen by F7. Checkmate.